In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Brave browser to a new computer. If you're setting up a new computer and want to bring your Brave browser data with you, the good news is that Brave includes a built-in synchronization feature that makes the process simple and secure. By using Brave Sync, you can transfer important information such as bookmarks, saved passwords, browsing history, extensions, and other browser settings from one computer to another. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can continue browsing seamlessly on your new device. To get started, open Brave browser on your current computer. Once the browser is loaded, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main browser menu, where you'll find a variety of options for managing your Brave experience. From the menu, select Settings to open the browser's configuration page. Once you're inside the settings area, look at the navigation panel on the left side of the screen and find the option labeled Sync. Click on it to access Brave's synchronization tools. When the Sync page opens, locate the option that says Start Using Sync and select it. This feature allows multiple devices to share and synchronize browser data, making it ideal for transferring information to a new computer. Next, choose the option to start a new sync chain. This will create a unique synchronization connection that can be used to link your devices together. The sync chain acts as a secure method for sharing browser data between devices associated with the same setup. After that, Brave will ask you to specify the type of device you want to connect. Since you're transferring your browser data to another computer, select Computer. This ensures that Brave prepares the appropriate connection method for your new device. Once selected, Brave will display a unique sync code on the screen. Copy this code, as you'll need it when setting up Brave on your new computer. This code serves as the connection key between your existing browser profile and the new installation. Now, move to your new computer and open Brave browser. If Brave is not already installed, make sure it is installed and running before continuing. Once the browser is open, repeat the same navigation process by opening the menu, selecting Settings, and then clicking Sync. Choose Start Using Sync once again. This time, instead of creating a new sync chain, select the option to enter an existing sync code. Paste the code you copied from your original computer and confirm the connection. Brave will begin syncing your browser data automatically. After a short wait, your bookmarks, passwords, settings, and other supported information will appear on your new computer. And that's it! You've successfully transferred your Brave browser data to a new computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.